Experience the elegance of Venice through private tours to Venice. Venice is without a doubt one of the most beautiful cities in the world, as evidenced by the countless literary masterpieces that the city has inspired. It is for this reason that private tours to Venice are so popular, especially for those who want to experience the city's infectious romantic vibe. The floating city, Venice is best known for being built on water. In fact, no car can access the city and canals lead to everywhere you want to go. Venice comprises of some 118 islands, interconnected with countless bridges and winding canals. Private tours to Venice are even more enjoyable with at least a few hours spent on a gondola ride. These small canoes are ubiquitous in the city and they are definitely the best way to get around, especially if you want a unique view of the city through the waterways. This said, walking tours of the city's centuries-old streets are also very common, especially for those who want to admire Venice's rich collection of Gothic architecture that dates back as early as the Byzantine and Ottoman periods. Ca' d'Oro, the Doge's Palace, and Palazzo Cavalli Franchetti are only among the must-see architectural marvels in the city. Surrounded by water, it is no surprise that Venice is also a huge seafood haven. If you want to try a different side of Italy's cuisine, Venice is definitely a great place to sample its seafood delights. The city doesn't run out of fresh supply of fish, shellfish, and other seafood favorites hauled out from nearby lagoons. Private tours to Venice are also not complete without a visit to the Burano Island, which is one of the most iconic fishing villages in the region, known for its floating houses that paint a rainbow-colored backdrop for your excursion. Another interesting island to spend a tour in is Lido or the Golden Island, which is best known for its private beaches and golden dunes.